sec square tan inverse 2 plus cos square cot inverse 3 is equal to 15 we have to show. Let us assume tan inverse 2 is equal to alpha, tan alpha equal to cot inverse 3 is equal to beta. Let us assume then cot beta equal to 3. And write the left hand side. This is alpha and this is beta. So sec square alpha and cos square beta. 1 plus tan square alpha, 1 plus cos square beta. 1 plus 1 is 2. And tan square alpha means tan alpha means 2. So 2 square. Cot square beta means 3. So c square, that is equal to 15. Okay. Now right, we have to show that this is equal to pi by 2 from this equation. Let us assume x is equal to tan alpha. So left hand side is equal to 2 tan inverse. So 2 tan inverse 1 plus tan alpha by 1 minus tan alpha minus cos inverse 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. So from that tan inverse, so you can transfer this whole part in tan of some angle. So we can write tan 1, this is 1 means tan pi by 4, and also and this is tan alpha, and 1 minus this is 1 into tan alpha, 1 means tan pi by 4 into tan alpha. So this is the formula tan A minus B. And so see here cos inverse 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square, that is cos 2 alpha. This is cos 2 alpha. And let's say 2 into tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus alpha, and cos inverse cos 2 alpha, and 2 tan inverse 2 pi by 4 minus alpha minus 2 alpha. Also this is formula plus only, and this is not wrong, right? Okay, 2 into pi by 4 plus 2 alpha minus 2 alpha. So this is cancelled out and this is pi by 2 is solved. So now and we have to show tan inverse 1 by root 3 into x by 2, tan of x by 2 equal to half of cos inverse that. So we can apply the formula 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. And from this formula we replacing in place of x 1 by root 3 into tan of x by 2. So so from this equation 2 replacing in place of x 1 by root 3 into tan of x by 2, and that will be is equal to cos inverse x square. X means x square, so x means this is, so 1 means 1 minus 1 by 3 tan square x by 2, and that is also 1 plus x square. X means 1 by root 3 tan x by 2, 1 by 3, so tan square x by 2 we can write, and this will be 2 tan inverse 1 by root 3 in place of x এটা আমরা রিপ্লেস করেছি in place of x এ, so এইটাও হলো তাই, and that is equal to cos inverse if we simplify this the numerator and denominator part 3 cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, 3 cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. And now rewrite the formula from cos inverse if we multiply by 2 numerator and denominator part, like that 2 into cos inverse x by 2 minus 2 into sin inverse x sin of x by 2, and also 3 into 2 cos square x by 2 and plus 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, and that is equal to cos inverse of, and this is the formula 2 cos square theta, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta, that is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. So 2 cos square x by 2, that will be 1 plus cos x. Again see 2 sin square theta, it will be 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 sin square theta, it will be 1 minus cos 2 theta. So you can write now 1 minus cos x. Okay, at x by 2, that's why they are 2 times of that. Again here see same as 1 plus cos x, and see here also 1 minus cos x. And now simplify this figure, we got the answer cos inverse of 1 plus 2 and cos x, and by 1 minus 2 plus and cos x. Okay, and this is the 2 tan inverse 1 by root 3 tan x by 2. Okay, and see then tan inverse of that is equal to 2 টা এদিকে ট্রান্সফার করলে half of that. Okay, and then from the answer. Let's see. And now here question number 10, see that cos inverse x by n plus cos inverse y by b is equal to alpha. We have to show this. So we can apply the solution. So we can apply the cos inverse formula, and cos inverse of x by a into y by b, that means x into y minus root over 1 minus x square. X square means x by a, x square by a square, and into root over of 1 minus y square. Y square means y by b, y square by b square, and this is alpha given. So now transfer cos inverse to this right hand side, so that will be cos alpha. So now xy by ab minus of root over 1 minus x square by a and root over b square minus y square by b equal to cos alpha. So now don't take the LCM. So there are some form will be come out. So now xy by ab minus alpha taking whole square, and it also 1 minus x square by a square. Write this type of form. Don't take a LCM. 1 minus y square by b square taking whole square. Now squaring both sides, x square by x square y square by a square b square minus twice cos alpha and xy by ab. We got the part. And now taking whole square, 1 into 1 1 minus minus plus x square by a square into y square b square, and also minus x square by a square minus y square by b square, and these will be cancelled out. So taking taking x square by y square minus of that to the left hand side. Okay, yes, x square by a square, then got the answer, plus y square by b square, and also minus 2xy by ab into cos alpha, and is equal to 1 minus, see here some part of mistake here. So square a square b square, twice of b square টা লিখতে ভুলে গেছি. So cos square alpha. So taking cos square alpha on the right hand side, and this will be sin square alpha, which is proved. Okay, see here, this is a question. Question number 10, tan inverse 1 by 1 plus p plus q, and tan inverse q by p square plus pq plus 1, and we have to show cot inverse p. So see here, left hand side is equal to tan inverse 1 by P plus Q. Okay, P plus Q. And now this part will be tan inverse Q, and taking one here and taking common from this two part P as a, so P plus Q here also. So let us assume this is X and this is Y, and let us assume this is X, P plus Q, this is X, and then we have got Q, so that's why minus P can be written in the form of that. Now tan inverse 1 by P of P plus Q, and it will be a formula like that, tan inverse P plus Q and minus tan inverse P from X plus Y. Tan inverse X minus tan inverse Y, that will be tan inverse X minus Y by 1 plus X into Y. So we can write that. So this will be cot inverse P plus Q, and also here tan inverse P plus Q, and this will be 90. So this is tan inverse P, and this is a 90, pi by 2 minus tan inverse P, and that is cot inverse P. So I also can be write tan inverse 1 by P, which is proved. Okay.